The future of artificial intelligence is at a crossroads, and Microsoft and OpenAI are doubling down on a partnership that could shape the industry for decades to come. Since 2019, these tech giants have shared a bold vision to advance AI responsibly and make its transformative power accessible to all. What started as a strategic investment has blossomed into one of the most influential collaborations in tech history. Now, they're entering a new era with a groundbreaking agreement that solidifies their bond and sets the stage for even greater achievements. But here's where it gets intriguing. This isn't just a renewal, it's a reinvention. Microsoft is backing OpenAI's transformation into a public benefit corporation, PBC, a move that underscores their commitment to balancing profit with public good. Post-recapitalization, Microsoft's stake in OpenAI Group PBC is valued at a staggering $135 billion, representing approximately 27% ownership. This includes shares held by employees, investors, and the OpenAI Foundation. To put it in perspective, before OpenAI's recent funding rounds, Microsoft held a 32.5% stake in the for-profit entity. The agreement preserves the core elements that have made this partnership a success. OpenAI remains Microsoft's go-to partner. Here's what's evolved. AGI verification. Once OpenAI declares AGI, an independent expert panel will verify this milestone, ensuring transparency and accountability. Extended IP rights. Microsoft's IP rights for models and products are now extended through 2032. Including post-AGI models with safety measures in place. Research IP rights, however, will expire in 2030 or upon AGI verification, whichever comes first. Notably, this excludes model architecture, weights, and certain code, areas where Microsoft retains full control. Consumer hardware exclusion. Microsoft's IP rights no longer cover OpenAI's consumer hardware, giving OpenAI more freedom to innovate in this space. Third-party collaborations. OpenAI can now co-develop products with third parties. API products will remain exclusive to Azure, but non-API products can run on any cloud provider. AGI pursuit. Microsoft can now independently pursue AGI, either solo or with other partners. If they use OpenAI's IP, the models will be subject to compute thresholds far exceeding today's standards. Revenue sharing. The revenue sharing agreement stays in place until AGI is verified, with payments spread over a longer period. Azure commitment. OpenAI has committed to purchasing an additional $250 billion in Azure services, though Microsoft will no longer have a right of first refusal as OpenAI's compute provider. Government access. OpenAI can now provide API access to U.S. government national security customers, regardless of their cloud provider. Open weight models. OpenAI can release open weight models that meet specific capability criteria, promoting transparency and collaboration in the AI community. But here's the controversial part. As Microsoft gains more independence in AGI pursuit, questions arise. Will this lead to a race to AGI?